culture is not just art and tradition, it is the lifeline of a nation, and Nepal, with its rich diversity, has always been proud of its cultural heritage. Our late king, Prithvi Narayan Shah, said, Nepal char varna 36 जात को फुलबारी हो, which means Nepal is a land of different castes and communities living in harmony. Every culture adds its own fragrance, making Nepal one of the most unique and beautiful country in the world. Cultural dances like Tamang Selo with its lively beats and deep emotions, and a Nepali folk dance celebrating love and togetherness are the living expressions of this vision. They are not just performances, they are reminders of who we are, where we come from, and how unity in diversity keeps this Himalayan kingdom strong. And today, as we will witness this amalgamation of Tamang Selo, which is a genre of folk music and a peppy Nepali dance that celebrate not only art and tradition but also the spirit of harmony that King Prithvi Narayan Shah dreamed for Nepal. So prepare to be spellbound for this vibrant celebration of Nepali culture. Feel the colors, feel the beats as our young dancers of class 2 and 3 who are ready to dazzle and swirl with beautiful costumes.
माया तलाउनु पैसै हो माया तलाउनु छक 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 रेलै मावे छक 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 हाँस्नु र खेल्नु बेलै मावे हाँस्नु र खेल्नु सुरुबुरु हावा सुरुबुरु सुरुबुरु हावा सुरुबुरु सिरुबारी हल्ल्यो हुरुरु सिरुबारी हल्ल्यो हुरुरु तिर मिलाउन नजाने रुनु है पर्ला बलियो तानेर लाने यो कुरावै तानेर लाने गाउँघरले देखे यही भन्छ गाउँघरले देखे यही भन्छ आप्पाले देखे त्यही भन्छ आप्पाले देखे